Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 1, which consists of myself, Amri Nasrullah, and then Hani Amelia Febriana, and Isnandia Widiarti, and then Kuryadi, and Nas Risa Ratu Rahmayani. We will present our material of power and roots. Powers or indices is used when we want to multiply a number by itself several times. For example, when calculating 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, we can express the same calculation as 2 powers 5 of the 5. We say this as to the power of 5 because the number 2 is being multiplied by itself 5 times.
Okay, A to the B. In this term, is called basis or base, and B is called index or exponent. The word power sometimes also means the exponent alone rather than the results of an exponential expression. How to say powers? X squared, x cubed, x to the power of n, x to the n, the power, x to the n, x to the nth, x upper n, x raised by n, x plus y all x square, bracket x plus y bracket close x square, x plus y in bracket x squared. Law for power, for equal exponent. First law for power, a bn equal a n bn. A product raised by an exponent is equal to the product of factor raised by same exponent. A bn equal a n bn. For equal basis. Second law for power, am times an equal am plus n. The product of two powers with equal basis equal to the basis raised to the sum of the two exponents. When expressions with the same base are multiplied, the indents are added. am division an equal am minus n. Third law for powers, am n equal amn exponenting of power equal to the basis raised to the product of the two exponents.
Okay, next I will explain material about roots. Let's consider the inverse of the expression as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. We can say that the fifth root of 32 is 2. The would be written as fifth root of 32 is 2. Power and roots partly inverse operations like addition and subtractions. Root is the inversion of exponentiations, and root of a is b, the same meaning as b to the n is a. Okay, next. And root of A is called radical expression or radical form because it contains a root. The radical expression has several parts. First, the radical sig or secant, or this is a symbol of root. Second, the radicand, the entire quantity under the radicand seg. Third, the index, the number that indicates the root is binding text. Next. Examples. Third, root of A plus B in bracket. A plus B is the radicand and 3 is the index. The radical expression can be written as exponential form. Power with fractional exponential. Examples. And root of x is x to the 1 over n. So, the law of power can be used is calculating root. Examples. And root of A times B in bracket is A times B in bracket to the 1 over n is A to the 1 over n times B to the 1 over n is n root of A times n root of B. A number is said perfect squared is if its roots are integers. Explains 9, 16, 36, and 100 of perfect square, but 12 and 20 are not. Okay, next memory. How to say radical? There are several ways to pronounce radical, namely 1. Cube root of x, and 2. And th root of z, and 3. Fifth root of square times y cube, fifth root of x squared times y cube in bracket. Next. Square root. The square root is in simplest form is A. The radicand doesn't contain perfect square other than 1. B. No fraction is contained in radicand. And C. No radicals appear in the denominator of a fraction. Example. Cube root of 20 and 5 is not a simplest form because we can write it as cube root of 4 times 6, where 4 is a perfect square. We can simplify the radical into 2 root of 6. A radical and a number is called a binomial. The conjunccy of binomial is another binomial with the same number and radical, but the sign of the second term is changed. Example. 2 plus root of 6 is a binomial and its conjunccy is 2 minus root of 6.
Okay everyone, I will explain the laws of indices. Powers and roots are used in the 5 laws of indices. Okay, the first is multiplying. To multiplying 2 powers with the same base, we can add the indices. So this mathematical from this. Okay. The second is dividing. To divide 2 powers with the same base, so we can subtract the indices. Okay, next, brackets. to raise one powers to another powers, we can multiply two indices. Okay, next, fraction. To raise a base to a fraction n over n, calculate the nth root of the base, raise it to the powers n. So we can mathematical from this. Okay, the last is negative. To raise a base to a negative number, take the positive powers of the reciprocal. So the mathematical from this. Okay, thank you.
That's all the explanation of our material power and roots. We end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.